Welcome to the in front of me ASUS ROG Phone 5s, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first we should go to the settings, and here just tap to the advanced options. Now just go a little bit down, and here you'll see the screen recorder option. Now just as can you see, we got the general section here, and right now we got here the record hour section, and now we just got here the internal audio. Also we can just switch it to the microphone one, or also we can switch it to the none, and our screen recording will just mute it without sounds or without your speech. So also we can just turn it back to the internal audio. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.